Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a super easy tutorial where I'll show you how I used reclaimed windows to make a small patio-sized greenhouse. I started out by putting both my windows together so I could measure the overall width of both of the windows. I'm going to use this width to cut out some 2x6 boards that I'll use for the frame. I did add a 1/4 inch to this measurement just for some wiggle room. I attached these boards together using some scrap pieces of 2x4 that I just screwed into the back of each board. Luckily, my 4 apprentices were available to help me put this project together. To find the width of my greenhouse box, I had my helpers hold up the front and back pieces while I laid the window over top. When I was happy with how my window was sitting, I measured the side to find the length for my side pieces.
Okay, we need 27 inches.
I don't get one.
Yeah, you measure your side. I'm gonna get the window off. Keep holding it, guys, so she can measure it.
I also grabbed a 2x4 and screwed it onto the top of the front piece of my greenhouse. Not only does this finish it and make it look nice, but it gives us a spot to nail our side pieces into. I simply just screwed all my sideboards in to the front and back of the frame. I capped off the back of my greenhouse frame with another 2x4. This is for looks and also to give me a good spot to attach my hinges.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle, 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 jingle.
For the final step of the greenhouse build, I went ahead and laid my windows back over the top again and used a pencil to mark out where I wanted to put my hinges. I used some basic utility hinges that you could probably find at any hardware store. Attaching hinges can be a real pain, so just take your time and make sure that your windows open smoothly and fit nicely and square together. Once your greenhouse is put together, you can add your seedlings or start your seeds in there. We like to use recycled egg cartons because they're really nifty. You don't have to remove the seedlings. You can just break apart the carton and put the cardboard and the entire plant right into the dirt. The greenhouse will work really well to start seeds in. If you're not expecting any deep frosts, it will protect the seedlings from light frost, but if you are going to have a deep freeze, you will need to have some sort of heater in there with them. I like that my greenhouse protects my seedlings from my 4-yard pests as well as many other yard pests that pass through. As a general rule, you can expect your greenhouse on a sunny day to be about 10 degrees warmer than the outside temperature, which for people with milder springs can be the perfect growing temperature inside the greenhouse for starting seeds.
Yay!